Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. What you been do? I just wanted to do that, y'all, because I have Uncle Chris in my kitchen today cooking for me.
Yes, you do.
All right, so Uncle Chris, what are you gonna make for us today?
All right, I was lucky enough to have a friend of mine who watches the show ask me to cook for them. And today I'm gonna do my sweet heat beans, but I'm gonna tone them down a little bit, and my pork chops on the grill, barbecued, and also my hot sauce barbecue chicken. Okay? Now, I've already chopped up one potato.
All right.
Potato. This also is 2 cloves of garlic chopped up, okay?
All right. 2 cloves are better than 1.
Maybe. But I got some bacon, low sodium, y'all, okay, to go in the beans. Now, I'm going to show you how you make these beans taste like they've cooked all day.
All right.
Yeah, like they're fresh, not out of a can, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do...
But wait a minute, Uncle Chris, I want to know, how are you going to make those beans taste like they didn't come out of a can? What, you planning on putting some witchcraft on there?
Yes, I am. No, I'm Uncle Chris. I'm going to show you. Down south, sometimes they had to take shortcuts. And sometimes the shortcuts were using canned green beans. Now, usually, you sit there with your grandmother and you snap these all day, right? Well, you pour these out the can, you put them in there, and you cook them. No. You got to start like a base, like a roux. And I'm going to show you how you do that.
All right.
Now, I'm going to light this here still. Now, this is not my kitchen, y'all, so I think I light it like this. And all right.
That was magic.
Come over here, little man. Now, I'm going to show you. Because this is going to be 4 cans of beans. So I'm putting in 4 pieces of bacon. I'm going to get them started going around. Okay? I'm also going to put in my garlic. The reason I'm doing that is to give this base a flavor. You're not going to drain the oil off. You know why?
Why is that?
Because it's going to be just like we use smoked meat regular beans, okay? The oil and everything gets with the beans and the smoky flavor and all that. This is going to supply the smoky flavor and the oil as if you'd done it all day, okay? Now, I'm just going to get me a utensil out of here. I'm thinking, ooh, wrong thing. Stay with a nice church stripe. I see that. Oh, here we go.
Then y'all got to remember, he's not in his kitchen, so he don't know where things are.
So, this is kind of nice. Now, I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit, because when you are doing garlic, you don't want the heat too high, because your garlic will turn bitter. You don't want that, okay?
Didn't know that. That is very helpful.
Yeah, because that bitter garlic, no, it has a bite, nasty taste to it. Okay, we're going to let this cook until just a little bit more than that. Now, also, since it's cooking a little bit, we're just starting it to cook. So that it releases some of its flavor and some of its oil, okay?
I can smell that already. It smells so good. As you know, that's what your nephew would say if he was here filming.
Oh my God. I need to get some sugar. Where can I get some sugar?
It's over here. So I will get the sugar for you.
All right.
Now, I'm just going to pan out a little bit, and I'm going to reach the sugar.
Thank you very much.
Ta-da!
What this is going to do is kind of cure your bacon. You know, like a sugar cure? You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like you do on ham. Okay. I'm going to put some of that in there.
So how much sugar did you put in there, Uncle Chris?
About a tablespoon.
All
You got
right.
4 cans. Okay. Normally it would be a teaspoon if you got 2. But I put in a tablespoon. Now, like I said before, my anonymous sir. Can you smell that?
I can smell it, and it smells so good. Oh my God! I am not your nephew Jay, and I love the way that smells.
I know. I wish they had smell-o-vision. I keep saying that. I really do. All right. Now, while that's doing its thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Mr. Anonymous.
Ah!
I'm enjoying a cocktail right now while Chris is cooking. And back to Uncle Chris show.
Once again, I'm going to show you the seasonings I'm going to do for the pork chops. Okay?
All right.
So, to make it simple, it's my Uncle Chris seasoning, y'all. Now, I already got some parsley in the bottom. Okay?
All right.
You're going to take you some garlic powder. Ooh, almost lost it. Take you some garlic powder. I'm going to do a little more because we use a lot of pork chops. Feel about that much. Take you an equal amount. Onion powder. Look at it. Onion powder, okay? Take you an equal amount of your garlic powder and put in there too.
So how much you think you put in there? You said an equal amount, so is that
You
a
can eyeball
tablespoon?
that. It don't have to be a precise amount. That you can eyeball, but as long as it fills up to about an equal amount, you're good. Now I've already got my garlic and my onion powder in there, right? I'm going to put some of my salt-free seasoning in there. Any salt-free seasoning will do. How much you want to put is up to you, okay? Now, take some Italian seasoning, believe it or not. Put a little bit of that in there, okay? I say about a teaspoon. Now, you're going to put in at least a tablespoon of smoked paprika, okay?
Oh my God, the best thing ever. I do not like regular paprika. Smoked paprika did it for me.
Now, that you've done that, take your top, put it on, right? Shake it up, mix it.
Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake, baby, shake. Shake it, don't break it. Shake, baby, shake.
You got your own barbecue spice, salt free.
All
Just
right.
like that. Now, anonymous person, come here and take a sniff.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That
Now,
smells great.
if you can find this, you don't have to use it, but if you can find this, Chef Magic salt-free seasoning, this bumps up another notch too. I'm gonna put some of that in there. Just because I want a little extra flavor.
All right, Uncle Chris. I love it.
This just adds to it. Now I don't have a sieve through top on this because I'm seasoning a whole lot of meat here. But normally you all put this type of a top back on it, okay? Have this in your seasoning pantry, okay? And you're prepared to do any seasoning for barbecue. Or just leave out the smoked paprika and it's a spice you can put on anything, okay? All right, my nieces and nephews, they know. They see me make it before. I want you all to see that again.
Okay, Uncle Chris, I just need to clarify while you're over there stirring up the bacon, and it smells wonderful. I am going to come and grab that pot
Oh, come
and just pig out. All right.
Put your potatoes in now.
So we're going to move around and look at these wonderful taters.
Now, you see what the sugar did? It caramelized a little bit in the pot. That's what you want. You could even add some maple syrup to this.
We have maple syrup.
Put a little bit in this. You're gonna think it's crazy right now, but just trust me. Just trust me. Trust me on this. All right. Now that this is doing its thing, we're gonna let the potatoes cook down, okay? And then we're gonna add the beans. Let it cook for just, let's say, 2 minutes. We're gonna be right back because I'm gonna season up the pork chops and put them on the grill along with the chicken.
All right.
Off camera, I did chop up half a big onion, okay? And I've already added it to the beans with the potatoes. Where I'm gonna put the beans. I'm putting the beans in now. juice and all, because these are low sodium. These are from the pantry.
All right.
Okay.
Now, there's a lot of juice on those beans, Uncle Chris.
They're gonna cook down.
Oh, okay.
So
All
now
right.
the fun part and the easy part. We mix this around. Oh, thank you.
Okay, remember, nieces and nephews, he's not in his kitchen,
I sure ain't.
so he don't know where anything is.
But you mix this around, okay? And that flavor's gonna go all through them. Now you see how the oil's mixing on top like that?
All right.
Oh yeah. Now I am gonna put in, just for laughs and giggles, a little more onion, and I'm gonna run over there and get some more garlic and put that in here too.
Some garlic salt.
Yeah, no, not salt, garlic powder right there.
All right.
Yeah.
Make your Jean Grey mystical powers. Make that. See, it appeared right in your hand. All right.
Put that on here. Now I put in about a tablespoon because it's 4 cans, okay?
Okay.
Now, you know what? I'm gonna add a little more of that maple syrup in here. Mm-hmm. Magic.
Now, Uncle Chris,
Mm-hmm.
you did use low sodium bacon,
Yes.
but what about those crazy? Well, I don't want to call people crazy, but you have those turkey bacon people.
Now, you gotta be careful with turkey bacon. I've not seen a low sodium version, and sometimes to make up for taste, they will add more sodium. So sometimes the turkey bacon can have more salt than the regular bacon. Just
Wow,
gotta read.
didn't know that.
You gotta read. So, but you can make this, if you are not salt sensitive, you can make this with turkey bacon. Yes, you can. Okay?
All right.
Now, we're gonna let this simmer on down. I don't know if this will fit this pot. Let's find out.
Voila! It worked.
We're gonna let that simmer on down. In the meantime, while that's simmering down, I got the pork chops here. So your first layer, you're gonna put your seasoning you just made over top of them. Okay? So it's like a dry rub, basically.
All right.
Let that do its thing.
Why do they call it a dry rub?
Because you don't use a liquid marinade. And usually they will take it and rub it into the meat. So you kind of got to rub your meat so it gets seasoned, you know. I'm going to get some more pork chops and start another layer. Now, this layer will lay on top of that, which already has the seasoning. You just keep repeating. Layer your pork chops.
So, Uncle Chris, I'm kind of curious. You walked over to the sink and a pork chop magically appeared.
Well, not magically. You always rinse your meat off before you cook it. You don't want to just grab it out the package and cook your meat because you don't know what's been going on in the factory. You know, that's what my people taught me, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay? Like I said, you layer, you season. So the grill's probably ready, and as soon as I got this done, we're going to throw them on the grill. I'm also going to show you, right quick, I'm going to make a little space here. As you know, I marinated my hot sauce barbecue chicken for at least 2 days. Voila. That'll put a little bit of hair on your chest.